Woof.
Emma loves you.
Woof.
My foot. Knife. Knife.
That doesn't belong in your body.
That's
Belongs in your
silly.
head. Come on, put it on your head, please.
Can you fix the Elmo button? Oh my goodness.
There you go, leave it on your head.
I like it.
There you go, that fits you perfect.
Brenda, what does the doggy say? Woof woof. Do you know how late it is? It's way past our bedtime.
One more page?
Okay, but it's past our bedtime.
Okay, there's only one page in that book.
Yeah.
You ready for the nights? Hey, silly monkey, are you ready for the nights? Look at Mama, are you ready for the nights?
Huh? What?
Are you ignoring your mommy? Brenda Boo.
Oh!
Oh!
It's time for the nights.
Oh!
Brenna, it's time for the nights.
Oh!
Hey, Daddy, it's time for the nights.
Hey.
Tell me it's midnight.
Time for nights, yeah. Let's do it then. Let's go on nights, okay?
No.